This is the first thing in the morning. I know you're hoping that it's a Dewey.
Not a Dewey, right?
No?
Pinkies!
Big Sambo on Raymond's homemade jig. Look. Hey. Oh, well, this is what we do with Sambos. We get them off and we throw them back. Because first fish today has caused mayhem. And we got fish. Even Raymond caught a fish. So they must be pretty prolific down there. Raymond strikes again. Is he going to get it in? This is the third time lucky. Raymond.
Yeah?
You're the one that whinges the most that catches the least.
Excuse
What are
me.
these? Told you there's Deweys down there. Hey?
What do you reckon, Ray?
I reckon you guys are full of shit.
Two of us can fish. The other one just hangs around.
Yeah.
Well, we'll just take a photo while you're just putting your dick over there, Raymond.
Just at the bite.
If it's a Dewey, that's Raymond's. But
That's mine.
you know why it's raining? Do you know why?
It's raining Deweys.
No.
God's tears, mate.
God's tears for you. Raymond, finally!
Give us a smile,
Finally,
Ray.
Raymond!
Sure. Cuttlefish, I got none.
You actually got a fish. That's unreal.
Shut up and sit down.
Morning.
Morning, Spiggy.
Talk about shit weather.
A little bit overcast, a little bit drizzly.
Oh, well, you ready, mate?
Morning, Jade. Morning, Raymond.
Talk to me.
Oh. Morning, Ray.
Look at this.
It's a stabby day today. Could be its twin. Howard. Have to drag it back. Howard wants to launch in the same spot. Good day for getting on the water. Weather's a little bit inclement. Is that the word? Inclement? Inclement weather? See what it's like about 30 k's offshore. What do you reckon, Jade? Better or worse? There you go. Negative attitude. Feels like a stabby day today.
Look at this. You know, I wish it was. I just got to pretend it's 30 degrees. Ready to go?
That's fair, eh? Something to hold that.
You got this?
Oh, you got it.
Oh, here we go. We're done.
Good morning, guys. We're gonna head out.
We're wet.
We're all wet. That's all right. So we'll see what we can get today. May the fish be with us. Raymond, what are you doing?
I wasn't ready for that.
You're not ready. This is the first thing in the morning. I know you're hoping that it's a Dewey.
Look, it's not
But
a Dewey, right?
No? What is it?
Pinkies!
Big pinky. Yeah? Nah, you sure? Well, either way, we got it on camera, mate, so... Good morning. What a way to start. That's a Sambo all day. I could actually put money on it. Hey, mate, we'll see what it is shortly.
I think we need to go to the mall.
How's that for finding a spot? This is a very lucky spot. Gary, what do you got?
Maybe I'll be happy.
We've had to play our lines in because these guys here, big fish.
And it's rain.
Any colour yet? Big Sambo on Raymond's homemade jig. Look. Hey. Gary's still on, but we've had to loosen the line because it's all tangled up. First fish today has caused mayhem. See if Gary's still on. Is he still on? Yes, Gary's still on, but it's halved in size. Must have lost weight. Did you have a 2-1 or not?
Don't think so.
Gary got, it looks like a chunk.
No, it's a pinky.
Pinky. Oh, that's a good spot. Pinky. Look at that. Oh, lovely. Lovely jubbly. Look at that. Beautiful eating size pinky. Well done, Gary.
Woo!
F you, Raymond. F***ing us all up. Jesus Christ. There you go,
Sneaky
mate.
on?
I'm on. Look, Raymond. I think we need to invest in a hoodie.
Give you the camera, eh?
All right, 35. Mate, this is crazy. We just come over this spot and then, yeah. Grateful, of course, because it doesn't happen very often. And we got fish. Even Raymond caught a fish. So they must be pretty prolific down there. Looks like a pinky. Oh, nice pinky. Pinky with a ball. It's playing ball. Nice size pinky. Beautiful. We haven't caught pinky for ages. Well done, fellas.
So good. They don't come out easy.
If you can smile.
On fish.
And I reckon it's another pinky, Gary. I'll film and I'll catch fish. Ready, watch. There we go.
15 kilo Dewey.
Got to catch this fish. Show the boys how to do it. There we go. No, missed it. Dewey? No way, that's Raymond's Dewey.
Sorry, Ray.
What is it? Not too many people on one side, the fucking boat's gonna roll over. You from the start, mate. I know fish.
You went
I
wrong.
know boats.
You're not wrong.
Look at that, beautiful. Oh, Raymond, what are you doing? Support crew.
That's a nice pinky.
Beautiful pinky. Lovely pinky. All right, photo time. Gary, you're up. Camera. Let's hold it. Hold it.
You had a picture, right? Nice!
Talk about. I got that on camera. Gary's on the juice.
Mickey,
Movement, mate.
bit of movement. Whew. Doesn't look like he wants to come in the boat.
Nah,
Let's just focus on your drum.
make it a bit of ground.
Bit of backwards.
No, lose ground.
Yeah, hook the bottom, have you?
No, hook the bottom. You serious?
Looks a bit fishy.
Yeah, until then. Ah,
Fishing for the future.
that's what happened. See? My hook straightened out. Piece of shit. You work so hard to get a fish and then that happens. Ah! Raymond strikes again. Is he going to get it in? This is the third time lucky. Ray, go cray. That's a nice pinky, I think. I reckon it's going to be a pinky.
That actually good.
Alright, so who's next? It's pinky day today. Raymond,
Yeah.
you're the one that whinges the most, that catches the least.
Excuse
What are
me.
these boys? Look, we've got 2 Jewies on. Told you there's Jewies down there.
What
Hey?
do you reckon, Ray?
Hey?
I reckon you guys are full of shit.
Wow. Well, one of us can, 2 of us can fish. The other one just hangs around.
Yeah, well.
Oh, look at that. Look at Raymond's face. Look at Raymond's face. Look at the size of that nanny. Look at the size of that pinky. Oh my God. Look at that.
Whee!
Somebody's happy.
That's a good one.
That's a good nanny, boy. Well, we'll just take a photo while you're just putting your dick over there, Raymond.
Just had a bite. believe it or not.
Oh, okay.
Photo opportunity!
Oh, shit. What do you got, Gary?
Mickey's flare.
Hey? Navigato!
Arigato!
Look at that. What a pigeon pair.
Woo!
Okay, look at the size of that nanny, mate. That is unbelievable, nanny. Raymond.
There you go. Right.
Oh, man, what are you
Hold
doing?
the fish up. Oh, he is.
Oh, I think he's just holding himself up. Can't, yeah.
It's not real fish anyway. Pinkies, everybody can catch
Fortune's a
pinkies.
shit day.
It's for you, Mick.
This one's a Jewy, Gary. Or was it a
I was hoping it would.
big nanny or a big Jewy?
I reckon. I don't think it's a Jewy. It's not doing enough.
No? What do you reckon then?
Queen. Big nanny or a small pinky?
Yeah. What about swordfish?
We'll cover all their
You
bases.
said everything else.
Like a gummy shark.
Said it was a Jewy, so let's see. See if my call's right.
I'm thinking gummy, but
It's too far out for gummy.
we'll find out in a sec, because here it is.
I reckon it's Jewy.
Floating up like a Jewy.
Yep.
That's a big Jewy.
Nah, it's gummy shark. Rolling gummy. Yeah. You're right, mate. Rolling gummy.
That's not a bad call. Rolling gummy.
Rolling gummy.
You didn't even get him in the
Yeah.
mouth.
Yeah, you did. Yeah.
Rolled on the fucking.
Raymond, finally!
Give us a smile,
Finally,
Ray.
Raymond.
What happened?
What do you got? What's he got?
He's got a fish. He's got something. What's your call? Is it a Jewy? 18 kilo?
No.
That was the call, wasn't it? Wasn't the big Jewy?
Later on.
Say hello to our little birdie friends. He's got something on the line.
Yeah.
Sure. Cuttlefish, I got nothing.
You got nothing.
Yeah, I never catch anything.
What do you put a feather up his nose?
Yeah.
Yeah. Is it biting Raymond or not?
Nope.
No cuttlefish then, yeah?
Queenie.
Queenie! You actually got a fish! Oh, Raymond!
How did that not
Raymond.
fly at all?
That's unreal.
Queenie!
Alright.
Nice one too.
Inside in. Don't have a crack at it. Ugh. Nice fish, right?
Alright.
Don't listen to all the doubters. When they tell you you can't fish for shit, It's all lies, mate. All lies.
Hold up, Raymond, get a photo, mate. Raymond, you finally got one. Hey! Oh, look at this. Oh, yeah. Well, that's Raymond's. If it's a Dewey, that's Raymond's, but
Nothing clean.
it was yours, but
That's mine.
yeah, I think this is a Dewey, mate. I think you missed out on your Dewey. You missed out on your Dewey. And it's raining. You know why it's raining? You know why?
It's raining Dewey.
No. God's tears for you. That's what it is. Oh, Raymond. That's feeling good.
Wow.
That's a Dewey. That's a Jew dog, that is.
You had big enough baits on it for it to be one too.
No, but he put the Dewey bait on.
Yeah.
He put that on there, the cuttlefish.
Yeah.
Fresh. Take your time, mate. Don't rush, because we want to get this big dog up.
Sandball.
Should we go in my sambo?
It's a sandball. It turned into a sandball.
No, I don't know yet. I don't think so. What is it? It's a sambo. No way. Look at that. That's a big dog sambo, that one. Oh my God. Oh, this is what we do with sambos. We get them off and we throw them back because they are good eating, apparently. A lot of people just don't want to deal with them, and I suppose it's just the size, I suppose, but go to speed it down. Goodbye. Back to his home. Go grow bigger. Is he back up or not? No, he's gone. Oh, well, that's a good result. All right. Well, made it back. Sun's going down. Jaden's waking up. Gary's having a little drive. Raymond's cleaning up. Ready to go and feed the fish. And see you guys next week. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Thanks for watching again. Take care. See you later. Over now.